Alright guys, I am back and we are going to just mess around with this stuff a little bit here. I got these done, but I wanted to see how or they're good and dry now. I wanted to see how these wanted posters would look on it, and it looks really cute, I think. So, that said, I did bring along some Opal Magic, and these are turquoise satin and royal robes, and then I brought some more of these. They're like waxes, and they're made by Art Alchemy, right? It's by Prima, I believe. Yeah, by Prima. And you'll just have to look for them on Etsy or as I almost fall out of the chair. That was hilarious. Or Etsy, or something kind of like that. So, and then I brought some gears along, and I have some that I colored. All I did here was it was cream colored paper or parchment colored paper, and I guess I could show you what I did really quick, just in case you want something like that. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so it just looked like that, and this was a die cut of Spellbinder. No, this was a Tim Holtz one. It's the gear one. So all I did is I took the Orange Blossom, and I just kind of did this around on the gear, and I got my fingers all inky. So yeah, that's all I did to get that orange look. And this is a permanent ink, so yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like. And then from there you can obviously do more, kind of rub it around. However, I think it looks cooler the less it's filled in, if that makes any sense. Like, I wasn't overly concerned about, like, I like that. I don't know. So anyhow, all right, so let's work on these two in this video, and then the covers for these little guys here. So again, I am using Susan Taylor Brown's wanted posters. I think it's like a whole wanted yeah, wanted posters. It's like a whole kit full of them. So, and then I brought along some of Tim Holtz guys there. And then we're going to just kind of decorate the covers up in this one. And I may release a couple of these a day, maybe. I don't know. Because the other, I think I decided to do something just a little bit different with the fall journal ones. We're still going to hinge, but it's going to look a little bit different of a hinge. So yeah, anywho, hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a fun couple of days for us here. Christian came and got me yesterday, and we had to go up to Cheyenne so that he could get some stuff for work. And then we went to dinner at a place called Carrabba's. I'd never eaten there, and neither had he. And we got it to go. And then we brought it back to my house, and it was delicious. It's probably one of the best Italian food places I've ever eaten at. And I don't know if they're like a nationwide chain or not. I have no idea, but oh, and we are going to be using Amy at Crafty Cat's numbers. They're her laser cut numbers. I don't know if she currently has any in the shop or not. So yeah, just if anything else, just message her on her Etsy store. And she's always really good about getting back pretty, like, right away. So okay, so this one here is by far my favorite wax that I have. look at what it does on black paper. Isn't that so cool? I love that. I love how it turns those colors just amazingly. I actually think I'm going to grab the copper that I have, and we'll do a little bit of copper on the edges. I do always give a warning. Oh gosh, you know what I was just thinking? Okay, good. I was like, at least for now. I was worried about this ink getting in my Opal Magic. I didn't even think about that beforehand, but I've got some copper, some rich copper. We might just go ahead and throw it on the edges here. This stuff, if you have any sensitivity to smell, you're going to want to be really careful on using it, because it smells like turpentine. Not everybody likes the smell of it. I happen to like it, but yeah, so these are just fun little waxes that you can do. Yeah, okay, I like that. I like that. I like it a lot, actually. So you have to excuse my fingers on this mixed media stuff here. Okay, so then what I want to do is kind of set this back over here. Okay, and then I think set this one up here, and then do this one, but I'm wondering if I could do a little bit of the same. Only I won't put the copper on this one, so it really kind of stands out. Oh yeah, okay, I like that. Okay, liking it, liking it. And this one is the cover for Christian's little one. So let's go ahead and glue that down. And, sorry, I was just trying to kind of decide where to put my glue. I don't know if I just asked this or not, but I'm hoping everybody's doing okay. And I'm just going to trim those off when we get done. I might need one more gear off to the side here. Anywho, this week's gonna be kind of a mellow week. We're getting caught up on a lot of things at work, so I'm able to like do some other like special project stuff. So that's always good and relieving. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and trim these now though, because I wanna see how far I need to go. Might make interesting scraps somewhere. I'll hang on to them for a little bit. Not glue down though. Okay. And then what I was thinking is we might need something kind of maybe down in here. Kind of finish it off. So how about we do the copper? Copper? Yeah, we want the copper. I kind of want some of the black to show through, so I'm really gonna rub that out, I think. Okay, now I kind of wonder what would happen if we put the blue on top of that, if anything at all. Probably not, but, or let's see, we've got some of this peacock color. Wonder what that would do. That one's not even open. Let's try this green instead, because I know that one's open. Kind of a bizarre looking green. I mean, cool, but bizarre. Oh, wow. I like that. I don't know, can you guys see it? I'll show you more in just a second. Well, in the green, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it a whole lot, but it kind of shimmers through there. Okay. That's, I think, exactly what I was kind of looking for. All right, let's glue that bad boy down. Okay. All right, so what's next? We want this guy on here. And okay, I like that. So let's get him glued down. Then I kind of know what I'm doing with the other one. These are going to be hard though, I think. Oops. I don't even have the book for the other one made yet. How crazy is that, huh? And then I think we'll take this green and see how it looks around the edges. Ha! I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I do have some Shabby Dabby Doodah's inspirational quote. I don't know that any of them really fit there. I don't think they really fit there. I was gonna maybe see if one of these kind of looked. No, I think I'm gonna call that one good as far as like decoration here. And I do have some Tim Holtz words that I might go ahead and try to find a quote there, but that'll be in a little while. Obviously not in this video, but all right, let's see what this green looks like around the edges here, if it kind of pulls it all together. I don't know if I'm crazy about it, but in for a penny, in for a pound, right? Okay, I do like that. So I'm not gonna do a closure on this one per se, at least not yet. Mostly because it already kind of stays shut on its own. So yeah, and I got a little messy with my glue, which kind of disappointed with myself that way, but it happens, right? Looks like it's a little leaning tower of Pisa, but once it all gets together, it's not. But it depends on how you're looking at it, right? And to finish it off, you can do a couple of different things. We can put some fabric on it, which I don't know that I will do. I could... got a couple of different things I could do, but or we could just finish off those edges with the hold it close to me. Once that dries, we really could. Oh yeah. Okay, so I like that. I really, really like that. Except for that. Not crazy about that, but I'll probably just glue one of these little things onto it. What's up, Bear? Gracie's coming to join us for a second. I'll probably just, once this is dry, I will probably just put one of the wanted things on there. Yeah. Super cute, huh? You think? Yeah. Be a nifty little gift for somebody, like for a little birthday or something. And I know I've said before, but I like to keep little gifts in my vehicles on the off chance that I run into somebody I'd like to give a gift to, or it's like their birthday or whatever. I like to keep those little kind of things in there. And that is a perfect little birthday gift. All right, let's decorate this one. And yeah. And I think we'll call it a video once we get all this glued down. And then in the next one, we'll do the next little ones, and then I'll show you a quick little thing I plan to do on the other one. The other ones will do the covers, and then I'll show you how I plan to break down the or do the hinges on those. Okay, so I like that. So we're gonna go opposite corners here. It's been a minute since you guys heard from Grace, huh? I'll have to, maybe in the next video, she'll come out and talk about her college experience so far. She's having a blast, so don't believe her if she tells you she's not. I really like these. And I'm using one of my favorite Tim Holtz guys, so. Trim those off really quick. Hi, give me my scissors. I don't know what was holding me up, but I don't know why I keep going quiet. It's just all about the focus, I guess. Okay, and I don't even have a journal to put this one on yet. Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe we don't turn them into journals. Maybe they just end up being what they are, right? I do think I want some of that green though. The edge of this one. Oh, excuse me. I really do like that green, the way it mixes with those colors. I know it probably isn't showing up real well on camera, but it'll be super fun, and maybe I'll do that next week. Because I've been having a hankering to make those little 3 or half journal composition notebooks, and I picked up a bunch last year, or I ordered them out, I think. I think I ordered them off Amazon last year. I've been having a hankering to do that, so maybe we'll do that in a little series. Okay, now what I was thinking is maybe one of Tina's, and if I'm sorry in advance if I forget to link Tina's shop, just remind me, and I'll give a link to the shop. Sometimes I'm not always, Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah has these this word kit. Maybe we're not going to use it. All that just to say, yeah, we're not going to, oh, you know what? Let's maybe tear it. Take it off its frame maybe. So it makes it a little smaller. like that. Let's see what we can get if we use a little bit of that leftover green. If we like it even further, which I bet you we will. Oh yeah. All right, I like it, I like it. All right. And I promise we'll get right back to the Christmas challenge in just a minute. Okay, I like it. It's super cute. All right, so let me show you what we got done. So for now, until I decide what I'm gonna do with this, this one's done. So cute little booklet, like I said, good birthday present. And then this little guy, which we will get a little booklet made up for him. So there we go, guys. Yep, and the next one we'll work on these other two here because I have ideas for that, but I'll have to clean up and all that jazz. So, all right, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.